$111 in 4 trips. But there's a catch. Ta-da! Big Bear Lake. I chose to come out here and to try it. My thought is this. It's Friday. There's going to be a lot of people here. Maybe somebody needs a ride back. Maybe somebody locally needs a ride. But right now, the cell reception is bad. It's all good. I'm going to take my notes and keep you guys updated. But we're going to drive out here and see what happens. Now, if you look over here, I've got everything turned on. Even deliveries. Because right now, beggars can't be choosers. I am down to take anything they give me. I have no problem. And I'm going to zoom out and take a look. Well, that's all we got, my friends. And it's got $3 signs. So it's actually a good way to learn about the market out here, right? I've never driven in Big Bear, but it's a Friday. I'm sure there's people out here. It's 11:49 in the morning, around noon. Maybe somebody needs to take a lunch break. Maybe somebody needs to go down the mountain. God forbid somebody got hurt. Someone's car broke down. You know, people have Teslas. Their batteries die out. Who knows? I would say it's 12. I'll give it about an hour. I'm going to get coffee. I'm going to get more gas in the car. I might get some clam chowder soup. I'm going to take videos right now of Big Bear, the lake, maybe even Snow. I think it's Snow Summit where I dropped off the person, right? I'm going to record some footage. I'm going to relax. I'm going to enjoy it. But the app's going to stay on in the background. Who knows? Who knows? We might get lucky. These are the details from the last passenger so you can kind of see it. Right now, it's 11:51 in the morning. I took this passenger at 10 o'clock. As an Uber Comfort ride, offered $65. Distance is 60 miles. Not bad. Duration, it took about an hour and a half. That's not bad at all. And yes, the pickup was from Ontario Airport. If you watch my last video, you'll know exactly how I got this ride. Because generally, my videos end when I've recorded around 8 to 12 minutes of footage or when I get a passenger, right? We'll do an update for the day. I like around noon to let you guys know what's going on. So this morning at 5:53, the first passenger canceled on me. Isabel didn't want to give me $12 for a half-a-mile ride. Now this person has shown up every single day. I normally don't take it because Uber offers me $8. I'm like, it's not worth it for me. But today when it offered me $12 for a half a mile, I was like, let's go. Girl canceled on me. Okay, after that, my first passenger was right around the corner. Literally, this is the shortest I've driven to pick up somebody. 5:52 in the morning, I picked up somebody for $17, Uber X, and I ended up in Moreno Valley. Okay, that was fun. After that, I went and I got gas. I waited gas for my car. I waited for a little bit, and I took an $11 ride. Now, at this point, I was at Costco in Moreno Valley. It was surging, meaning not surging, but it was busy. I had 10 opportunities to take people for under $15. I said no to everybody, but this particular person I took because from Moreno Valley, it was going to end up near downtown Riverside, and I was already going to go there anyways, right? So if I'm already going to go there, might as well get paid. So this is why I took it for $11. Right when I dropped off that person at the medical center, I got a ride less than 5 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. I turned it off. I barely even took notes. I got somebody for Uber XL for $16. This was a trucker. Great conversation. Basically, that's the first person I talked to. Everybody before that, they didn't want to talk, right? This girl didn't want to talk either. Then I went to Ontario Airport. Probably, although it shows I waited, I dropped him off around 8:45. I picked up the lady at 10, so about an hour, I would say I waited. And that was because I was waiting at Ontario Airport, and I noticed that 10 o'clock flights are coming. I was getting opportunities. If you watch my video from earlier, like $17 here, $15 here, $16 there. I kept saying no, because I'm cherry picking. I'm waiting for the right time at the right moment. Then I ended up getting this person at 10 o'clock, which is this person I just dropped off, for 60 miles, $65 Uber Comfort. Ideally, it would have been nice if it was an Uber XL, right? And that's where we are. Now you've basically caught up. And if you want to see further details, they're right here. You're welcome to pause the video and look at it, right? I'm just going to kind of go through it really quickly so you can kind of see a little bit more of the detail. And feel free to pause this and study it if you need to study it a little bit more. And what I mean by studying it is kind of giving you the city, the street, and a little bit more details if you want to watch, okay? And that's basically how we got to this number right here, okay? So active, we're going to say 4 hours. Online, we're going to say 6. This is good. This means it's Friday, it's busy, and look, only 4 trips. Only 4 trips, right? We're going to go back up, and you know, okay. Oh, man. You know I love the 111, right? For spiritual people, this is like a blessing. I'm supposed to be here. You know, it would have been cool if this was still a 1 right here. That would have been awesome. That would have been like perfect alignment. So I believe I'm supposed to be here on a Friday and then do this, you know, but let's see what happens. Now, for the week, let's do an update because we hit $800, right? Today's goal is to be around at minimum at around $950. Right here, be at minimum at around $950. That's the goal, all right? We're here on Friday, 25 hours. We're going to say 26 hours. We're going to round up, and we're going to say right here, 59 hours we've been online, okay? And 28 trips. So 28 trips is important because that's basically what I was supposed to do. That's what I was supposed to do yesterday. So today, now I have to get to 30, to get to 35. That basically means I have 7 trips to do today. If I want. If I don't want to, I won't. If I can get to around $950 in less than 35 trips, I'm doing good. And I'm staying on track, which is my way of driving, which is less than 50 passengers a week. Remember, everybody has their own style of driving. My style is simple. 7 trips per day times 7 equals 49. So to make it easy, I say 50 is what I want to do, right? And ultimately, you're going to see this curve slightly go up, slightly go up, slightly go up by the time I finish, right? That's the way I like to drive. Okay, that was me taking a couple of screenshots and I had to focus. Now I'm gonna drive down the mountain, take some videos, take some pictures, and because this video is already 8 minutes long or 7.5 minutes long, around 8 minutes I'm gonna stop it and then I'm gonna upload it for you guys and then start a fresh video because now I want to record a little bit of footage and enjoy my day, right? So, but we're gonna leave the app on just in case something pops up. Now, what's the reasoning for 8-minute videos? If minimum you do an 8-minute video, you can later, when you can monetize, you can actually end up putting ads in it, right? You can put an ad in the beginning, you can put an ad in the middle, you can put an ad at the end, and that's where you start making money from Uncle Google, right? And if you look over here, I got good news for you guys. Check it out. Check it out. The reception's a little bit slow. Look, I was supposed to hit 500. And I'm at 503. This is good news, okay? Now, check this out. We're going to go over here and we're going to look at the earnings because this is where I wanted to be at. Now, first thing we've made is, let me hide me. To be eligible, I had to hit 500, right? I've done that. Now I'm working on the next thing. I've done around 1,842 public watch hours. We want to get to over here 3,000. So now, for the rest of the week, that's literally my goal. Or the rest of the month, get to 3,000 watch hours, and then basically this will unlock right here. I'll be able to do memberships, I'll be able to do super chats, and I'll be able to do shopping, which is I can add merchandise. And guess what? Then we're gonna start making a little bit more money from Uber. Sorry, oh my God, I'm too excited. We're gonna be able to make a little bit more money from YouTube, and when YouTube money starts coming in, Uber driving starts going down. And that's basically what I've been teaching you all along. If you're watching me, look, I'm showing you how I make money driving Uber. I'm showing you how I'm going to be making money driving YouTube. And eventually when YouTube starts bringing me in more money, Uber's going to start naturally coming down. And you can do it. Anybody can do it. If you look down here, these are the videos that I just posted today in me driving Uber, right? If it shows up, my reception's like, I got T-Mobile, right? Okay, so these are just the videos that I posted today, right? This video is going to be the 6th video that goes up. But look, I've already gotten 65 views, 6 likes, and everything else is casually coming along, right? Let's go to a day before and see if anything stands out. Oh, here you go. This video in less than 24 hours has gotten 211 views. So I have to see what it is that people like. It's probably because I'm talking about upfront pricing, right? Here you go. Yeah, that's what it is. See, look, when I talk about upfront pricing, right here, you can literally see 209 views, 11 likes, 17 comments. So people want to know about upfront pricing. All right, I'm going to stop this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. And I have to keep reminding you because a lot of people are like, hey, you say it too quick at the end and then we forget, and then he goes to your next video. Look, like every video that I'm posting. Comment on every video I'm posting. Share every video I'm posting. Why? Because it helps the whole community. It helps all drivers. It helps all spiritual people. And it helps all content creators, right? 3 niches. Bitches.